Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Gupta. Many of you have been so kind with your comments and your appreciation. I'm delighted to announce that I'm going to be visiting the United States of America in August, and I will be hosting a Heart Health Weekend, which is a seminar which goes on for 2 days, August the 4th and August the 5th, 2018, and this will take place at the Renaissance Westchester Marriott Hotel, which is in West Harrison, New York. And I would love to meet you. And if you can make it, please do come by because it'd be great. During this seminar, which goes on for 2 days, I'll be doing some talks, and then there will also be plenty of time for me to meet people. And if you wanted to ask me any questions about your own health or concerns that you may have, then I would be delighted to do that whilst you're there. So if you get a chance, please visit www.hearthealthweekend.com, hearthealthweekend.com, and you can book on there. Places are limited, and it's on a sort of first come, first serve basis. So if you can, it would be lovely to see you. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great night. Bye.